Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Fall home decor is a delightful way to welcome the changing of the seasons and infuse your living space with warmth, coziness, and a touch of nature's beauty. As the air turns crisp and the leaves outside transform into a tapestry of warm hues, your home can undergo a similar transformation, embracing the spirit of autumn. One of the key elements of fall decor is the color palette. Think about rich and earthy tones, such as deep reds, warm oranges, golden yellows, and rustic browns. These colors mimic the natural transformation of leaves and create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Fall is all about tactile comfort. Incorporate plush throws and soft, textured pillows in your living spaces. Consider adding a few knitted blankets or faux fur accents to sofas and chairs. These elements not only provide warmth but also enhance the visual appeal of your decor. Bring the outdoors inside with natural elements. Fill vases with branches, leaves, or dried flowers. Decorative gourds, pumpkins, and pine cones make charming additions to tabletops or mantels. A bowl of seasonal fruit, like apples or pears, adds a fresh touch. Fall evenings call for warm, soft lighting. Candles in autumn scents like cinnamon, apple, or pumpkin spice not only set the mood but also fill your home with comforting fragrances. Consider adding string lights or lanterns to create a cozy ambience. Adorning your front door with a fall-themed wreath is a timeless tradition. Whether it's made of colorful leaves, wheat stalks, or mini pumpkins, a wreath sets the tone for your entire home. Transform your dining area with fall-themed table settings. Earthy colored tablecloths, rustic dishware, and elegant placemats adorned with seasonal motifs like leaves or acorns can make every meal feel special. Swap out artwork or wall decor for pieces that reflect the season. Framed prints of autumn landscapes or quotes about gratitude can bring a sense of fall into your home. Finally, don't forget the power of fragrance. Scented oils or potpourri in fall-inspired scents can add a multisensory dimension to your decor. Fall home decor invites you to slow down and savor the beauty of the season. By embracing the warmth of autumn colors, the coziness of textures, and the charm of nature's bounty, you can create a home that reflects the spirit of fall and welcomes you with open arms as you return from brisk outdoor adventures.